Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start question number 3 of exercise 3.2. So question number 3 has two parts. First part is, if A, B and C are three vectors such that A plus B plus C equal to 0 and magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 3 and magnitude of C is 4. Then find the angle between vector A and vector B. So you have to find the angle between A and B vector, and you are given with magnitude of these three vectors and a relation, that is A plus B plus C equal to 0. So first of all we will use this equation to start the solution. So given that A plus B plus C equal to 0, that means A plus B is equal to minus C. We will move C to the other side of equation because we have to find the angle between A and B. So A and B must be together. Then by taking square on both sides, of equation, A plus B whole square is equal to minus C square. So this will be equal to C square, and this is magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square plus 2A dot B. This is also magnitude of C whole square. So now 2A dot B is equal to magnitude of C square minus magnitude of A square minus magnitude of B square. Now we put the values of these three vectors magnitude, which is 4 square minus 2 square minus 3 square, which is equal to 16 minus 4 minus 9. And here we open the formula, that is 2 as it is, and magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, which is the formula for dot product. So then we divide 2AB here. 2 magnitude of A is 2 and magnitude of B is 3. This is equal to 3 divided by 4 into 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, so this will be 1 by 4, and theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 4, and the final angle will be 75.5 degree, which is our required answer for first part of question number 3. Now we will start the second part, but before that, if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel for the notification of my latest videos. So now let's start our solution. Given that magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B, if we take square on both sides, this will be equal to magnitude of A plus B whole square and magnitude of A minus B whole square. So now we open the formula, which is magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square plus 2 times A dot B is equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus 2 times A dot B. So A square will be cancelled out with A square, and B square will be cancelled out with B square. So 2 times A dot B plus 2 times A dot B is equal to 0, which is equal to 4 times A dot B is equal to 0. That means A dot B is equal to 0, and we have to find the angle between A and B. So we open the dot product here. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 0 divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B, 0. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 0, which is 90 degree. So here is our required answer for second part. Next is question number 4. The first part of question number 4 is, if A, B and C vectors are given, find the value of lambda so that A minus lambda B is perpendicular to C vector. So here given that A minus lambda B is perpendicular to C vector, this means A minus lambda B dot C is equal to 0. So if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product must be equal to 0. So now we put the values of A, B and C vectors. So value of A vector is I minus 3j plus 4k minus lambda, and value of B vector is 7i minus 9j plus k dot value of C vector is 3i minus 2j plus 5k is equal to 0. So now after simplification, I minus 1 minus 7 lambda, this is I component, and minus 3 plus 9 lambda, this is j component, and plus 4 minus lambda, this is k component, dot 3i minus 2j plus 5k is equal to 0. Now 1 minus 7 lambda will be multiplied with 3 into 1 minus 7 lambda plus minus 3 plus 9 lambda is multiplied by minus 2, and 4 minus lambda is multiplied by 5 is equal to 0. Now 3 minus 21 lambda minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 6, minus 9 2s are 18 lambda plus 4 5s are 20 minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So like terms will be solved out. 3 plus 6 9 plus 20, which is 29, and minus 21 minus 18 and minus 5 will be added, which is equal to minus 44 lambda, and lambda is equal to 29 by 44, which is our required answer. So now second part is, show that the angle between any two diagonals of a cube is cos inverse of 1 by 3. So you have to prove that the angle between any two diagonals of a cube is this. So first of all you have to draw the diagonal, and please notice these coordinates properly. First here this is the origin, so its components will be 0 0 0. Here distance, here is y-axis, so y component will be a because this is point A, and x and z component will be 0. Similarly here is point A in x and y direction, so z component will be 0, and here is x-axis, so a 0 and 0. A is the x component because here is a, here is a. Now this is G, this is outward from the page like this, like this. So here all the three components will be a and a. None of them is 0. So here is the D, which is in YZ direction, so x component will be 0. This is Z axis, so x and y components will be 0. And this is in the direction of x and z, so y component will be 0. So now let's start the solution. First of all, observe that here are the two diagonals, which is first diagonal is OG and the second diagonal will be AD. So we have to prove that the angle between OG and AD is cos inverse of 1 by 3. So the diagonal of a cube are OG and AD. The direction ratios of OG means G minus O. So G minus O on, after subtracting we get the answer AA and A. And the direction of ratio of AD means D minus A, which is equal to minus A and A. Now theta, we have to find the angle between OG and AD. So we put the formula of dot product here. That is the dot product of two vectors and divided by its magnitude. Now we take the dot product, that first component will be multiplied with first component, that is A multiplied by minus A multiplied by A, and A multiplied by A, divided by 3A square root, and again 3A square root. So this is minus A square plus A square, and square root 3A square whole square. So this will be equal to A square over 3A square, and A square will be cancelled out. So the answer will be 1 by 3. And finally theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3, which is the required answer, and our question is proved here. So here I have to end my lecture. In the next lecture we will start the next question. Until then, keep yourself happy and healthy. Do subscribe my channel, and how do you like my video, tell me in comment section. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.